Assalamu alaikum, greetings of peace. I'm late and there's a reason behind it. I have been juggling this morning as a mother, as a wife, and as a community person, getting into my high school to run as the principal. So, talking about youth brings me into an emotional state. Yes, our parents are doing such a great job as being a parent. They're doing a great job as good Muslim parents, but they're not doing a good job as a promising, supporting group of Muslim parents. You need to make sure that your child feels nurtured, supported, protected, trusted, and also feels that they are being heard. As mothers especially, we have to do our job to actually help our kids understand that they are valued and they are being heard. Don't talk at them, talk to them. Don't talk at them while you're looking at your phone, while you're yelling at them. Look into their eyes, like put everything aside and give them the due diligence, due time that they require. Remember, you can only develop respectful individual if you give them respect first and help them understand how do we actually respect people for the sake of just being people. No matter how old your children are, especially your teens, they should feel that connection with you. And remember the hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last prophet, he said, when your kids are older, be friends with them. And remember, being friends with your kids, it's a very important aspect of our life and our job description. At younger age, we are the nurturer, we are the caregivers, we are the protectors. But at older age, we actually are the trusted people around our kids to help make informed decisions. I know a lot of us are worried about marijuana being legal, cannabis is out there and everything. We have to understand what part are we actually doing to ensure that our kids don't get into the drug problems or any other problems, especially the relationship problems when they are on a roller coaster of hormones, when they are on a emotional roller coaster. We need to be there to actually help them make informed decisions, and also to understand that no matter how many mistakes they would make, no matter how many times they trip and fall, we will always be there to support them and to hold them tight in our arms, embracing them with all their mistakes. Until next Coffee Talk, I'm Farina Siddiqui. Assalamu alaikum, greetings of peace.